Hello, 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 hello. So, today I'm going to be creating this look using Benefit products as well as some of my normal products, all while telling you a riveting tale about one night in Aruba. No, actually, it's really crazy. Videos included. So, in any event, stay tuned and I'll tell you how to enter to get your free shit, free makeup. Enjoy. Welcome. This is my first real YouTube video.
It ain't the best and it ain't the worst.
I'm going to create a makeup look using as many of the Benefit products as possible. So, that being said, I still have to do the base of my face. As you can see, I'm bare-faced. There's a mirror right here, which I need to do my makeup. Yeah, bare-faced, didn't do my hair. It's kind of all the way out there, but vulnerability, right? I'm gonna do my classic look. I say classic as if there was something that's contemporary that came after it, when in reality, this is the only look. Just like, put it on the whole lid, because that is the place where I can put it, and there needs to be more room. I need more room. I can't do stuff in just one little area. I forgot that I'm supposed to highlight the under part of my eyebrow. Oh no. Okay, well, now you go back. Alright, so now that this is mostly blended in with a very small, inefficient brush, you can see I am achieving an albino look. Fantastic. This is what we want. This will be blended later. Don't worry too much about it looking good, because all you have to do is then cake foundation all over your face. Okay, so now we're going with this fucking yellow orange. Why yellow? Because it's nice and bright and stands out. If people look at my makeup, then maybe they won't be distracted by other things going on in my life.
My mental health is a toss-up most days.
The first product I want to use is Benefit Highbrow. So, I don't know if you're supposed to highlight your brows first or draw them on first, but I'm going to highlight first. Now, I don't know if this comes in a lot of different colors. There doesn't seem to be a specified color here. And the point of highlighting your brow is everything I just did with the concealer, because I forgot that I have this product. So we're going to do it underneath the brow right here. And you can see it's pure white and nothing like anything that would never actually occur on my skin. I may have done too much. I'm panicking. Okay, I'm just gonna blend this in with the same shit I did before, and maybe this will just be a more dramatic look. Because now that I've already made my eyeball, my eye skin, that part of my eye, white, I need to make the other part right under it even whiter. Finding our little brush again, I like to go in and do some real bright orange in the corner. And the reason I do this is to give the illusion that my eye is larger than it is. It kills me when people like to compliment my eyes, because it's like, oh, you have very nice almond-shaped eyes. And I say, and they're literally the size of an almond. They're almond-sized, almond-shaped and sized. Maybe I will just tell stories while I do my makeup and then add subtitles. Hopefully someone shows up. Please come. I'm gonna end this live video. No one cares. That didn't go well. Let's call Nicole, see if she answers. For those of you who don't know Nicole, Nicole is one of my good friends. Met her through work.
Say, go away, watch it blow away.
Dude,
Hey, what up?
I'm having a fucking anxiety attack.
Okay.
I want to listen. It just seems like every single person in our thing, and I was working. I really like the clients, and
It doesn't fucking matter. They don't care. They don't matter. They literally don't matter at all. So fucked up!
yeah.
As Nikki and I were talking, I pulled out the Good Brow Pencil by Benefit, which is probably one of my favorite products by them. Just due to the fact that she actually had no idea she was being recorded, I decided to record over us so you couldn't hear what we were talking about. But what I love about the product so much is that it has a nice little brush on one end to comb out your eyebrows, and on the other end, you can see that there's a really awesome liner that's kind of gel-like, and it's angled so you can get a lot of precision. And this is something comparable to one by, let's say, Anastasia, which is something that I started off with. But ultimately, I think that this one's better. You can tell I'm a big fan. Hey babe, I'm filming a YouTube video. What should I talk about?
I thought you were going to talk about the makeup, babe.
I can't talk about the makeup. I'm not good at talking about the makeup.
Talk about your adventures and like...
So I actually use GimMe Brow. This is comparable to Glossier's Boy Brow, but fuck Glossier, because I hate their marketing. So, back to the tea. The trip was defined by one insane experience, and I'm going to tell you all about it. So, just for reference, here's a short clip.
He's completely naked and being bound.
I know. The backstory. Nikki and I were staying at the Renaissance Aruba Hotel. It's a Marriott property, and anyone who knows me knows I'm really loyal to Marriott. Needless to say, I was gonna be loyal and stick with my people. In the lobby of this hotel, they have these tour guides, De Palm Tours. This bus picks us up from our hotel. Now, this is the hardest part. I'm trying to talk while I'm doing my lips. While I finish my lips, enjoy a slideshow of some good photos in Aruba. These bitches have been taking pictures with the flamingos for so many hours. They won't stop. They won't stop. Moving on to our next product. This is Hoola by Benefit, and it is our bronzer. I will get back to Aruba. I don't know if this color was made for someone like me, but it's beautiful and it comes with this really cute little brush inside of it. So, I will also be giving this away because I already have one. Now, I love this brush. It fits perfectly inside of here, creates a lot of fallout, but regardless. And I just go like this, and a little bit down. These are free cheek injections, ladies. Oh, I love it, I love it. It's around my hairline. Fuck it. On my nose, chin. I think we just need to address Aruba at the end. While I'm doing the difficult stuff. My wing. So, Gold Rush by Benefit is a blush, but it's really shimmery. And I compare this to the other blush I have by them, California. So as you can see, this is much more pink. Also comes the brush. I love the fact that it comes with the brush and a little mirror on the inside. And the boxes are so cute and sturdy. And then this one is much more of like a pink shimmer. I've never used this before, so we're gonna go ahead and give it a try. So this looks a lot like a highlighter to me. This is too light for me. I don't like this. The last item that I have to use from Benefit is going to be their Bang. It's their mascara. Now I also already have one of these. So, like the other two products. I'll be giving this away. Let's see how it looks after I do my wing. I got these two eyeliners. They're the same exact thing. It's a liquid eyeliner. And for me, I have been someone who has not navigated much into the liquid eyeliner in my life. It's actually a recent thing for me. That's because I have no manual dexterity. Brown is not really my color, and I don't need this. So, up to you. Now while we talk, Nikki and I show up to this beach in Aruba. Palm Beach. Or maybe it wasn't Palm Beach. We sign up for this sunset sail, this evening cruise. I thought, let me spend the little money I have I'll get water, hot picks, water, free food, free drinks. Neither of them are free. I paid for both of them, but they're all inclusive.
We getting on this boat.
We're on this boat having an awesome time. Looking at the water, laying on the net, I'm like, these are the bougie things I've dreamed of. As we begin to take off our shorts, this man sprints towards us, a crew member, and begins yelling at us. No, I don't do well with disrespect. I don't like when people talk to me in any way except for a compliment.
Should you have expected anything different? No?
I was perturbed. Once we put our shorts down, we see something. A man had jumped overboard. He went overboard. And it all made sense. This guy thought that we saw the other guy jump overboard, and we were thinking, we want to go for a little swim too. You're wrong, bitch. After being forcibly brought back onto the boat, and by forcibly I mean they had to lasso him, they lassoed a grown man. They lassoed a grown man. And what I did realize till he got on the boat was he was butt-ass naked, very naked. Not a lot of equipment to show. Half-price ticket, because that wasn't much of a show at all. Just saying. And it seemed like things were kind of cooling down when we hear a loud crash. He had broken a bottle. And next thing you know, I hear gasps, screams. So me and my investigative journalism ass self dives below board to see what's going on. I had to document the trauma that I was undergoing. This man broke a beer bottle on the boat and began to slice his neck back and forth, sawing motion. So someone gonna need to give us an explanation. That's what the fuck's going on here. They bind him in the back of the boat with a large fishing rope, like this thick. I don't know if it's for fishing. This was a sailboat. No fishing is likely done on this. I'm not a water person, but regardless, I'm doing my best. I'm trying to tell you the story as it was. Once they bind him in the back of the boat, I mean, he must have been on drugs. He was screaming, laughing. So that was one day of Aruba. It was really, really interesting. Yeah, so the Palm Tours refunded us, thank God. Got our money back. Got a nice little credit from the hotel for going through that shit. $250 to be exact, not bad. And yeah, that was that. We have a finished makeup look. Now, it's not fantastic, but it's better than our looks before, and good God, that's all we need. Okay, so, giveaway. First, comment on the Instagram post with the product that you're wanting to enter for. Second, screenshot it and send it to me over DMs on Instagram. 3, make sure that you're subscribed to this channel and that you follow me on Insta, and I will choose the lucky winner. Once you're selected, I will DM you, get your address, and ship it to you, and then I want to hear about it. Thank you for watching my very crazy video that is new, and I hope to get better at this, but your attention is appreciated. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out the blog, which has a lot more interesting information. Links are below. Hope you love it.